Hey folks, I'm Josh from VanCraft, and today we're going to take a look at the 2026 VanCraft Waypoint, the ultimate adventure vehicle. It sleeps 2 and seats 4, so let's go take a closer look. The Waypoint is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144 chassis. Some of the benefits you get from that are a high resale value, great fuel efficiency, longevity, and ground clearance. This Waypoint is equipped with our off-road tire package, which includes these premium 32-inch all-terrain tires and some really sweet matte black finished wheels. At the front of the chassis, you'll see that we have a 3M matte black hood wrap and also a light pod kit that's got yellow and white light pods. At the back of the van, you're gonna find this black powder-coated rear-mounted ladder that takes you up to the roof. Up there, you're gonna see our proprietary roof rack. You'll see the solar panels, and along the edge there, you have the option to add a 10-foot awning. Also on the back, we have this tow package, which has a 5,000-pound capacity, and new for 2026, we have the Mercedes-Benz half step. Let's take a look in the garage. Here you're gonna find 70 cubic feet of open layout garage storage, which really for a camper van is a ton. On the left side, you'll see this extended storage area, 6 foot 8 inches long. You can see on this van, we've added our pegboard system. It has mounts to put your skis, your snowboard, whatever long stuff you wanna put in there. Also on this van, we've added the extra T-mat system, which is fantastic if you've got a lot of storage, you wanna organize it. It has these great little mounts that will keep your stuff from sliding around. Also in the back here, we have our robust battery system. You don't need hookups, you don't need external power, it's gonna charge everything for you. Let's take a look at this, 40 gallons of water storage, which again, is a ton for a camper van. And last thing we're gonna look at here is this on-demand hot water shower. Inside, you're gonna see lots of natural materials with a really thoughtful design that we've been perfecting for many years to create this home-like feel. The front cockpit, Mercedes-Benz, you're gonna see this passenger seat that swivels. Here in the kitchen, you're gonna find a 75-liter Dometic fridge that also has a freezer in it. A brushed nickel sink. For a stovetop, we don't use propane. We don't want you to run out of propane while you're off-grid somewhere. Instead, we use an induction stovetop, and this one is super efficient. You're also gonna see around me all this storage. Up here, you've got storage down here, some more on the side. Next, we're gonna go to the tech stack. That's your control panel for the whole van. You can monitor your solar panels. You've got all your different lights you can control from here. And a top-of-the-line S-bar heater even works great in super cold weather. Underneath that, 2 plugs. You've got charging ports for their USB and also your inverter. A really unique feature of our vans is this proprietary bench that folds up and extends the bed. So you have essentially this queen-sized bed in the van. We do that so that we balance space and comfort. You get a lot of living space during the day, and then you have lots of sleeping space at night. Up above, you're gonna see the Max Air fan, which is really low profile and stealthy, but it's important and helpful to have that airflow. That's also where we put the optional air conditioning unit if you're gonna be spending a lot of time in hot climates. Every Waypoint comes with a lagoon table. I don't know if you've seen these or not, but they're super adjustable and super cool. Let's talk about a couple additional accessories. First is the sliding side window, which is great for additional ventilation in your van. A couple others to think about. We have magnetic window covers. They're super cool. They have magnets. They just stick right over the windows. Those are great for both privacy and for insulation. At night, they block out light completely, so you're nice and private, and they also really do help keep the van insulated in different climates. Lastly, we're gonna think about the rear bed partition. This is a nice net cover that keeps the bugs out, but you can look through it and watch the sunset over the beach. As I'm walking out, we have running boards here that make it super simple to get in and out of the van. That's it. Why do we do this? We want you to get outside. We want you to get out of the office and have an adventure. It's what we do. That's why we're in business. If you want to see one of these in person, one of these vans like the Waypoint, this one's been personalized just for this customer. It's got some accessories. Every van we make has personality. Come check us out. Contact our sales team or visit van-craft.com.